Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Explore with Adizi. So today I'll be showing you guys how to navigate in Dubai. It is very simple. So if you're not taking a taxi and if you don't have your own personal car, there is a very beautiful option for you, which is either you go by the train or the bus. So either which of these, the train or the bus, you will need this card. This is the null card, so you can always get this at any metro station, have it registered, and then you recharge it with any amount you have. So once this is recharged, you can always go anywhere depending on how much you have in the card. Always remember to top up, darlings. So guys, I'm going to show you how I navigate from my current location to where I'm going. For example, today I'll be visiting the NMC hospital, and first thing I do is to make sure that my location is turned on. After that, I have to open my map. Just wait for a few seconds, guys. So once the map is open, you just type in your location. So for today, I'm going to NMC Hospital Deira. I'll put it on the destination, and I have this. So the first option is the metro, which is going to take me 60 minutes to get there. These three are for buses: 19 minutes, 22 and 19 minutes. So personally, I think I prefer to go to I'll choose to go with the metro today. Or if you want, you can also go with the taxi. This is the taxi, Karin. It will take you 7 minutes and would cost you like 15 to 16 dirhams. This option is because I chose the bus from here. You can decide to check how many minutes will it cost you. If you're using car, it will only cost you 6 minutes. If you're using a cycle, no, I don't know about that. But I chose the bus and the metro, and on the all mode section I chose bus, metro, underground, tram, all of them. I just want to see all possible options and select which one I prefer to go with. You can also decide that you want to walk to the location, and this will be 26 minutes. No, not for me, I'm not walking, so I'll be going with the metro. From here you can decide what time you want to leave, so that you'll be able to calculate when the bus or when the metro is leaving. But as I'm leaving right now, I'm going to leave it at reset to current time set. So it's giving me the current update because I'm leaving right now. And because I'm choosing the metro, to go by the metro, that's a train. I'll click on it. And it's showing me that from my current location, I need to walk 8 minutes to get to Abubakar Sadiq. That's not bad. So in real life, I might not spend up to 8 minutes because I walk pretty fast. Maybe give or take 6 minutes, I'll be at the metro. And then I'll be taking the Etisalat metro station, which will be leaving in 9 minutes time, 11:07. So I'm going to meet up. Because this is not far from my current location, I'll be stopping at the next stop, which is Abu Hail metro station. Once I stop, I just need to walk 6 minutes to NMC Hospital Deira. So it's very easy to navigate in Dubai. Once you have your map, you can always get to your destination without any hassle. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys a little bit of the outside, how I tag and tag in, how I tag out. So guys, we're here at the metro, going up right now to tag. So I'll show you guys how we do the tagging. So this is where you tag. I'm gonna show you guys how I tag. So you put your card and it opens, you pass. This is where you check if you don't have your map. So you come to this draw board here and check where you're going to. So because I'm going to Abu Hail, I'm taking the Etisalat metro. So I'm going to the next stop, Abu Hail. So I'll be taking my right to the metro. Okay, this is Abubakar Sadiq Metro. Just and as you can see, in the next 2 minutes the train will be coming. Can you guys see that? The train will be coming in another 2 minutes, so I'm gonna sit and wait, right? So in the train there are compartments for women only, especially dedicated to women. So these sections, men are not allowed to sit there, otherwise you'll be fined. And for these sections it is written women and children only, as you can see. So they're like 3 coaches, 1, 2 and the other one 3. So guys, the train is coming. I'll show you guys. So guys, can you see the train coming? Good. So let's have the door open.
الأبواب تغلق. Doors closing.
So these are the passes. You see that they are blocked, and all I have to do is tag here and watch it open. So that's it. So guys, do you want to recharge bus card and you don't know how to do it? I'm going to show you. So no matter the denomination you have, the machine can give you your balance. I'm going to show you how I recharge the card here. Let me show it to you. And guys, I just came out of the metro and this is NMC just looking at me. You see, it's very easy finding your way around in Dubai, like very easy. So guys, hope you can see how to tag in and how to tag out when you are in Dubai. As long as you have this card, you're good to go. That's all you need. Make sure you recharge as often as possible so that you don't get stranded, because without it you won't be able to have access to the train. So it's pretty much easy, and I hope you like this video. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and we'll be coming back with more beautiful videos for you. Okay,